How do you start your day? Is it with a groan, a snooze button, and a longing for more sleep? Imagine the transformative power of waking up correctly. The first few moments upon awakening are like the opening act of your day's symphony, setting the rhythm and tone for the rest of your performance. A well-executed wake-up routine can be a game changer for your mood, energy levels, and productivity. Have you ever considered the benefits of waking up naturally, without the harsh interruption of an alarm? This simple shift can make a world of difference. And what about the screens that dominate our lives? Maybe, just maybe, we can keep them off for the first few minutes of the day, allowing our minds to awaken at their own pace. Practicing mindfulness as you rise, paying attention to your breath, your thoughts, your feelings, can bring a sense of calm and focus that carries you through the day. So, the next time your alarm goes off, instead of hitting the snooze button, try to wake up mindfully and see how it changes your day. Once you're up, what's the first thing you do? Let me guess, you reach for your phone, right? Well, let's switch things up a bit. Instead of scrolling through social media or checking emails, how about stretching those muscles? Stretching first thing in the morning wakes up your body, shakes off the sleep, and prepares you for the day ahead. But the benefits don't stop there. Stretching increases blood flow to your muscles, providing a swift boost of oxygen and helping you kickstart your day. It's like a natural cup of coffee for your body. And let's not forget about posture. Regular stretching can help improve your posture, reducing the chance of back pain and other discomforts. Now you might be wondering what kind of stretches to do. Well, there are plenty of easy ones you can do right in your bed or on the floor, from a simple full body stretch to more targeted ones like a hamstring stretch or a spinal twist. So before you reach for your phone tomorrow morning, try a few stretches. Your body will thank you. So you've woken up mindfully and stretched your body. What's next? Well, it's time to embrace the magic of morning exercise. We're not talking about grueling, sweat-drenched marathons at the crack of dawn. No, we're talking about simple, invigorating activities that can set the tone for your entire day. There's something almost mystical about the tranquility of the early morning. The world is still half asleep, and it's as if you have the whole day to yourself. This is the perfect time to get moving and experience the rush of endorphins that comes with a good workout. You see, morning exercise is not just about physical fitness. It's about mental well-being too. When you kickstart your day with some form of physical activity, your body releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones. These natural mood boosters can help you start your day on a positive note, but the benefits don't stop there. Morning exercise can also increase your energy levels for the day. When you move your body, your circulation improves, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and organs. This can make you feel more alert and ready to tackle the day's challenges. So, what kind of exercise should you do? Well, that depends on you. It could be a calming session of yoga, aligning your mind, body, and spirit as the sun rises. Or perhaps a brisk run, feeling the fresh morning air fill your lungs and the rhythmic pounding of your feet on the pavement. Or even a quick home workout, using your own body weight to build strength and flexibility. The important thing is not to overcomplicate it. Your morning exercise routine should be something you look forward to, not dread. It should be a celebration of your body's capabilities, not a punishment for last night's dessert. Remember, it doesn't have to be a strenuous workout. Even a quick 10-minute exercise routine can do wonders for your health and mood. So, why not give it a try? Wake up, stretch, and embrace the magic of morning exercise. You might just find that it's the best part of your day. So, are you ready to revolutionize your mornings? The key to a vibrant day lies in the first few hours. We've explored the art of waking up mindfully, the power of stretching, and the magic of morning exercises. Each element seemingly simple, yet collectively forms a transformative routine. Imagine a day where you wake up refreshed, not by the jarring alarm, but by your body's natural rhythm. You stretch, not out of obligation, but to genuinely greet the day. You exercise, not as a chore, but as a celebration of your body's capabilities. Now, isn't that a morning worth waking up to? The beauty of this routine lies in its simplicity. Small changes, big impact. It's about embracing a healthier lifestyle, one morning at a time. Take the challenge. Wake up mindfully, stretch your body, and get moving. Not tomorrow, not next week, but starting from your next sunrise. Let's make every morning a good one.